Hello everyone, my name is Sivanandas Gowda. We'll discussing Warshall algorithm for finding transitive closure. First, you have to know what is transitive closure. In next slide, here transitive closure means there is a path I to J is existing or not. You have to check it out. Consider you are using mobile phone here, and your friend is using here. There is a possible communication from I to J. By see here, directly there is no connection. There is a possible indirect connection. How to check it? See, in a Warshall, sorry, in a transitive closure means there is a path existing from I to K to J. Then we can say there is a path existing from I to J. Same thing I have expressed here. If path I to K there is a connection, then K to J there is a connection, then we can say there is a path existing from I to J. Then we can communicate through intermediate node K to J. Okay, this transitive closure problems the analyzed by and designed by Warshall is a computer scientist. He wrote the algorithm. I consider basic operation how this algorithm exactly works. See, there is n intermediate nodes. There is an earlier example I took only 3 nodes. We can't go for any practical things. The practical things there is n number of nodes will be there. Here they consider intermediate nodes are n nodes. Then I is a source, J is a what destination. See, case intermediate node. Listen here. There is a path existing. You have to check. There is a possible straight path existing or intermediate path existing. Anyone is possible, then it is with true. Otherwise, it is a false. Consider there is a path existing from I to J straight path. Straight. There is a path. See, this is the K. This is I J. K is intermediate. I is a source. J is a destination. I'm checking there is a possible there is a possible connection between I to J. How to check it out? There is a path I to J straight path, or there is a path existing from I to K and K to J. Then we can predict there is a path may exist I to J. This is for straight path. This is full for this is for indirect path. See, there is a for loop for I k equal to 0 to n minus 1, I equal to 0 to n minus 1, j equal to 0 to n minus 1. Then end for 3 loops are there. Okay, then time complexity for the Warshall algorithm, that is worst case is n cube, or even average case also n cube. It is runs because of 3 loops are there. The k runs until n minus 1, then I runs on n minus 1, I from 0 to j 0 to n minus 1. That indicate if all 3 runs n times, this multiplies n cube will come off. Where we can apply this algorithm, this Warshall algorithm on transitive closure. Example, daily life, you are using mobile phone, mobile communication. When you call to a friend, okay, if a friend is not in a reachable, is in out of station, maybe went to the forest inside, there is no network, then I will know, okay, they will get a message for you, is not reachable. When you try in end time call, then is not reachable message will come up because of is in out of communication. How to check that is by using this algorithm. There is a path exist. If he is comes to the network position, automatically will get a there is a path existing. Okay, then you can communicate the guy, and then it call rings, and it will communications happen. Thank you so much.